AI conference camera Insta360 Connect Real Review finally fixes hybrid meeting chaos? Okay, real talk. How many times have I sat in a meeting where the remote people are reduced to tiny heads stuck in a blurry corner while someone's voice echoes like they're calling from a cave? I still remember one client call where half the team couldn't hear the CFO and the other half couldn't see the whiteboard at all. Total disaster. The kind of meeting that genuinely makes you want to yeet your laptop out the window. And if you've lived through something like that, yeah, you know exactly the pain I'm talking about. It's that heavy, chaotic feeling when the tech is actively fighting the room. Muffled voices, awkward silences, people repeating themselves, energy just leaking out minute by minute, and suddenly half the team is checked out. I kept thinking there had to be a better way, because meetings shouldn't feel like endurance tests. Imagine just walking in, hitting start, and everything simply works. No babysitting cameras, no "can you hear me now?" Just real conversation, like actual humans again.
Then I discovered the Insta360 Connect, and honestly, I laughed at how stupidly good it is. This isn't another boring webcam. It's a full AI conference system with dual 4K cameras, one wide and one gimbal that actually moves, a 14-mic array pulling in crystal clear audio from up to 33 feet, and smart tracking that locks onto whoever's talking using voice, face, and body cues together. Whiteboard mode automatically enhances whatever's written and even makes the presenters semi-transparent so remote people can actually read it. It's Zoom certified and works perfectly with Teams, Meet, and Webex. Just last week, our head of sales was pacing like a maniac during a pitch. The gimbal followed him smoothly, remote clients saw every gesture, heard every word perfectly, nobody touched a button, and the deal closed in 18 minutes while I sat there sipping coffee, watching the AI do all the work, which honestly felt like cheating.
Now meetings finish faster because nobody's wasting time fiddling with cameras or repeating themselves, and that saved time turns into sharper focus, better decisions, and noticeably higher performance across the board. One tech reviewer said it outright beats systems triple the price on tracking smoothness. A productivity creator I follow swapped all his rooms and said remote attendees finally feel genuinely included. Analysts are calling it the smartest hybrid upgrade most companies are sleeping on, and our own test across 8 rooms showed participation from remote folks jumped 40%. My favorite story came from a marketing director who told me her team used to dread client calls, and now clients compliment how professional they look every single time. And the "it's too expensive" objection? Come on, it replaced our old messy setup of webcam plus speakerphone plus endless complaints and paid for itself in 2 months of saved sanity.
So if you're ready for meetings where the tech disappears and the conversation actually shines, the Insta360 Connect is that stupidly simple upgrade. Clear audio everyone can hear, video that makes remote people feel like they're in the room, zero babysitting. Join the creators, agencies, and teams already using this every day and saying it's the best meeting room decision they've made. I've got the affiliate link in the description and pinned comment. Go check it out, watch the demo clips, and grab yours, because your next meeting really could feel completely different.